Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, I know what you are thinking. Artificial intelligence? Is that something only robots care about? Well, let me tell you. AI is not just for robots, it's for you too. Whether you are a coder, a designer, or someone who just likes to impress their friends with fancy words, AI is the next big thing you don't want to miss. Trust me, if you are not learning AI right now, you are like that person still using a flip phone in 2024. Sure, you are surviving, but you could be living your best tech life. So grab your laptop and let's talk about why AI is not just the future, but the right now. So now, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video of artificial intelligence, I'm telling you the why you should learn artificial intelligence right now. Why you should learn artificial intelligence in 2025. Why you should learn. Let me tell you. Now, there's many ways to learn why you learn artificial intelligence right now, because artificial intelligence is biting the jobs of the people. Okay, that all thing, and AI is a one high paying job right now. Let me tell you all the things about it. So in today's video, I told you all thing I explained you about why you should learn X artificial intelligence right now in English. Okay, so if you want to add, if you want to learn it in a Hindi or Urdu, open the caption. So in the caption you will be reading. Artificial intelligence is more than just a buzzword. So if you don't know the meaning of the buzzword, so go copy this the meaning and give meaning. So the meaning has been given. Buzzword. A word press often a word. Here you can see it. The buzzword will become. Okay. It's a revolutionary technology changing how we work, live, and interact. Means that artificial intelligence is a revolutionary technology changing how we work, how we live, and interact with each other. With the explosion of data and need to make a sense of it, the demand for AI skills is skyrocketing. Okay, demand for AI skills is skyrocketing. In 2025 or in 2030, you must know what is AI. If you don't know AI, so in this world you have no work to do. Okay, you must know what is AI. You all think you know about AI because AI in the demand. Okay, the demand for AI skills is skyrocketing. There's no better time than now to start learning here. Okay, there's no better time in 2025. There is no better time than start learning AI. Now you are thinking why. Let me tell you, here is why. Your all the questions of the answers. Here you can see why you learned artificial intelligence now. Let me tell you. AI is the one growing field. Okay, AI is the one most fast growing field. Why? Let me tell you. Artificial intelligence isn't the future; it's the present. Okay, the number of AI jobs has seen significant growth over recent years. Okay, like if you want to change the shirt color of the shirt, so you are using the Photoshop in 2016 and 2018, but now you use the AI website to change your shirt color. Okay, if I want to change the background of my green screen, so I use the AI, not Premiere Pro. Okay, so the AI is very fast growing field like this. According to the World Economic Forum Future of the Job report, AI and machine learning specialists top the list of fast growing jobs. Okay, in the AI and machine learning specialists top the list of fast growing jobs over the next 5 years. As industries continue to adopt AI technologies to streamline their operations and make better decisions, the demand for AI specialists will likely on increase. In the 2024, in the 2024 there are many websites come of the AI. You can do with AI you can do anything using these websites in 20, who came in 2024. Like you will be change the color of shirt, you will be change your face, you will be do like you write your prompt and then it will give you the answer of it. The chat GPT has been came, this type of website has been came in this year. Okay, now, statistics project considerable AI market size growth. Further, emphasizing this point, they estimate that the market size in artificial intelligence will reach us 184.00 billion in 2024, and in US, if I told you in the US size, $826.70 billion by 2030. This one graph I am showing you. Let me show you one graph. Here you can see it. In 2020, $93.27 billion, and then in the 2021 to 202.63 billion dollars, then in the 2022 $124.80 billion, in 2023 $135.94 billion, in 2024 $184.05 billion, in 2025 it will be $243.7 billion, and in 2026 $320.13 billion, in 2027 $415.63 billion, in the 2028 $529.23 billion, or in the 2029 $667.74 billion, in 2030 $826.76 billion, not million, billion dollar. Okay, this is like, okay, now AI is a one high paying job. How? Let me tell you. Naturally, the surge in demand for AI skills comes with attractive comparison. According to the data from Glassdoor, as of November 2024, the average salary of an AI engineer in United States is 133,000 per annum. Okay, it is very high paying job. Okay, with the potential of our business and profit sharing, machine learning engineers and data scientists are similarly well paid, with average salaries of 160 billion or 673 per year dollar. Okay, and 159,74 per annum. Okay, dollar respectively. The financial comparison reflects the value and impact of AI skills in the marketplace. AI engineer is earning money in this 2024 year. Okay, the AI is high paying job, so that's why I am telling you in 2020 till 2025 you must know what is AI engineering, deep learning, all the thing, because in 2025 till 2030 it only AI will be work, not any programming language work like Python, C++, like this. So that's why I'm telling you, please learn about AI. AI is the main focus in the future of years like 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 29, 30, and then 2030. So that's why I'm telling you, please learn about AI. You can read our guide about how to become an AI engineer. If you want to if you become if you want, I upload a video on how to become an AI engineer. So tell me in the comment section below. To learn more about this exciting and rapidly developing career, AI is intellectually challenging. Artificial intelligence is not just about high paying jobs and significant market demand. It is also an intellectually stimulating field that promises to challenge you in exciting ways. It involves the building algorithms to solve complex problems, designing models that simulate human intelligence, creatively applying these technologies to various real world scenarios. Using AI and machine learning, you will build any type of robot, okay, which act like a human, okay. AI professionals continuously learn, adapt, and innovate. The field is consistently evolving. Means in AI, there is many things are coming. Okay, in like one Chat GPT has been made it. The using Chat GPT, our very time has been saved. Like if I want a letter, so the Chat GPT is giving me in the seconds. So the Chat GPT, it has been built using AI. So that's why I'm telling you, in 2025, this is the time you learn the artificial intelligence. If this time will be gone, so we do not learn about AI. So that's why I'm telling you, this is the time to learn AI. If you do not learn AI in 2025, in this year, so you will do not do anything in this world. Okay? Meaning there's always something new to learn, a problem to solve, or a system to improve. This dynamic nature makes AI an exciting field for those who thrive on challenges and continuous learning. If I show you the things like AI, text to speech. So text to, so you can make a this type of one website using your text to image website. Like you write anything. Like if I write, I aren't like a robot. So then when I say to generate it, so it will be generated very easily as, and it will give you the answer output. I am not signed in, so it is not giving me. So if you go in any website, so you write the text, then it will be provided you the image. So this is you learn AI in 2025 when okay. So that's why I'm telling you, this is why you learn AI. Okay, there's no better time than now to start learning AI. And I'm telling you, I have already told you that why you learn AI. Okay, so I hope you can get this class, because in AI there is many type of money. The AI is the one high paying job. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, please learn about the AI, not this type of languages like Python. You learn these languages, but this language will be not work in the future of years like 2026, 2027. Only AI, only focus on AI. Please learn about AI and Python and these type of languages. You also learn these type of languages, basics of these languages. Okay, not in the depth you learn but you learn in the depth you learn only one language. Of the only Python you learn in the depth. Okay, but you in the Java, JavaScript, and React, you know the basics of these languages. Okay, but you should know what is artificial intelligence, because it is artificial intelligence is very scary in 2026 and 2030, because their artificial intelligence is involving many things in its websites and all the things. So that's why I'm telling you, please learn AI right now. Okay, this is the here's the time when the time will be gone. So when you run the AI, so let me I have told you in this video why you should learn artificial intelligence right now. If you enjoy this video, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. And now I give the outro of this video in the bigger screen. So let's come on to the bigger screen and let's give the outro of this video. That's why you should start learning artificial intelligence right now. Whether you want to impress your friends, become the next tech genius, or just know what all the fuss is about, AI is the way to go. It's not just the future, it's happening now. So why not get ahead of the curve? If you are excited about AI, make sure to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Let's keep exploring the world of tech together. And remember, in the world of AI, there is always more to learn. So now, for today, goodbye.